Hello, this is our first Harmonica Qigong lesson in our series, and we're going to look at the posture and the breath to start off. And we want to encourage the breath to be nice and soft. We don't want to be forcing the breath. So don't force the breath and don't force it into the harmonica. We're trying to keep everything relaxed. It's the way to go about it in the beginning. So don't try to play hard. Don't try to force anything. Just let it go. So let's look at the breath for a minute. On the inhalation, whether you can have the breath drop and use your diaphragm or not, it's irrelevant at this point. Most folks use the breath up here. But if you can operate your diaphragmatic breathing, that's wonderful. And that's what we're trying to get out of the held part of this, is to lower the breath and have it be nice and soft and supple. And what it does, it gives an enormous amount of power to the harmonica. If you're all tight and bound up in there and you're all pressurized with your posture, it's hard to get the air to flow out nice and comfortably. Now that's kind of what I'm starting with the number one lesson is, to pay attention to that. So what we're going to do is we're going to inhale, and wherever the breath resides, again, wherever it is, it's fine. Just take some air in and let the air go out. Air in and air out. Now you can use the harmonica at the same time. You can breathe in the harmonica. Now, I see my breath was a little bit longer probably than most of you doing that. But what I try not to do is I try not to force the breath. So that's an important piece. So I could be going, that was in hole number one. I could be going like this. We don't want to do that at all. That just, stay away from that forcefulness. We're trying to just encourage the breath to be soft in and out, and that's a wonderful place to start. So I would start with that. Before we get into any techniques, just take a little while, and you know, I'm sure you're going to be impatient and jump around and want to get into the harmonica like most folks do, and that's okay. But just try to take a little bit of the knowledge and stick it into your breathing. It'll serve you at any time. Okay, thank you.